Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix plugged in not charging Windows 11, 10 laptop easy solution. First method is power troubleshooting. Second method is update all list under batteries. Third method is uninstall all list under batteries. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.